Hey, it's me, C, and welcome back to my channel. Now, you know how we always complain about how we go on Instagram, we go on Facebook, we go wherever, and we see these ads popping up saying like, oh, you might be interested in this dress and this shoe and these jeans and this da 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 da. All the advertisements, all the ads. Oh my gosh. Guess what? You know, I got a pair of shoes from one of those ads. But before I get into all the tea about this shoe, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Subscribe. Before we move on, just go ahead and subscribe. Turn that post notification bell on so you don't miss any of my other reviews or any of the other super dope videos that I post. Trust me, you want to be a part. Trust me. Okay, yeah, I can't really wink, but anyway, let's just go ahead and get right into the review. Let's get into the Nice Sneaker by MLO. Now, I don't know if it's MLO or MLO. Comment down below and let me know which one it is. But yeah, let's get into these babies right here. So first off, my fiance actually texted me one day saying, hey, what do you think about these shoes? I'm thinking about getting them. And I was like, yeah, those are super dope. I like them. And, you know, I was seeing those same ads, but I wasn't sure if it was like a legit company or not. And then it was overseas. So I was even more like, I don't know. But yes, the company is real. And guess what else? A little birdie told me that they are minority owned, so that's another thing if you want to support small business, minority owned business. But before I open it up and actually show you guys the shoe, let's talk about ordering, shipping, etc, etc, etc. On the website, once he ordered the shoes for us, it said that it would take about 10 to 14 days to ship, which is understandable because it is coming from, you know, overseas. We are in the US here, so that's understandable as to why it would take 10 to 14 days. And I do think the shipping took about that amount of time, so that's not too bad. When the package came, being that both shoes were in individual bags like this opposed to boxes, we didn't really know what the package was. We just looked at it and read it. Was like, oh, okay, that's what it is. And I think it's pretty cool how the shoes come in these bags right here. I don't know about you guys, but I'm the type of person that when I get a pair of sneakers or shoes, whatever, I save the boxes, which I'm trying to get out of. I want to get the clear containers because they're more aesthetically pleasing, of course. But I like to save my boxes. So the simple fact that it came in like a duster bag, like a designer bag, was pretty cool. I've never bought a pair of sneakers or shoes that came in a duster bag like this opposed to a box. So that was one thing that's pretty cool. I'm pretty sure this is eco-friendly as well. It could be recycled cloth, I'm not sure, but it's a pretty thin cloth. It's nothing too fancy. Of course, it has the logo on the front. Really simple logo, I might add. Let's just go ahead and take the shoe out. This is the shoe. Definitely giving Balenciaga vibes, stock vibe. You know, it looks exactly like how it looks on the site. Okay, so the material of the actual shoe feels like I said, very sock-like, very Balenciaga vibes. The bottom is, you know, hard rubber. It does look really chunky, but when you put them on, they don't feel that chunky. But then again, I'm a girl, I wear heels, so I mean, that don't make much of a difference to me. The shoestrings, of course, are white. The detail that you see here, it just says nice going across it. Very simple, very clean, very modern. The only thing I would say about the laces, it really depends on your personal style and how you tie them. I'm one of those people that I don't really like my laces to really be dangling too much. So I've only worn them once, and I'll insert pictures and everything like that. but when I wore them, I tucked them in like that. But of course, you could tie them the regular way, whichever way you choose. The comfort of these shoes, I'm one of those people who legit does not wear socks ever. I don't wear socks with my sneakers. I just really don't wear socks. The inside of the shoe though, I can tell you one thing. After wearing it one time, I feel like because it's not too much of a sole in here, it might, depending on how much you wear the sneaker, it might get worn down a little bit faster because the inside, the sole isn't like thick, you know what I mean? It's super thin, but the inside has these holes in it that makes the shoe very, very breathable as well, since it is a cloth shoe. That's the inside of the shoe. That's what I mean by it has like holes in it to make the shoe even more breathable. And this is the front detailing here where it says nice going all the way across. So the actual make of the shoe is pretty good. Pretty good. I do feel like we got what we paid for. I don't feel scammed, gypped, or anything like that. So this was a risk worth taking. This shoe here is $69. However, they're always running some sort of sale or deal. When my fiance bought this sneaker, he got both of our sneakers for $116 and some change, and that includes shipping as well. So that is a pretty good deal for 2 pair of sneakers, in my opinion. The only thing I was a little iffy on regarding the shoe was the sizing, just because, you know, when you order shoes online, it's really hard to say, especially if you've never ordered from the site before. I am a woman size 9, so that's a male 8. But normally I get like a 7.5 in sneakers, in male sneakers, just because they fit my feet better. And that is the case with this. Although I did get an 8, the next time we order from them, I'll probably get a 7.5 if I can, just because I don't wear socks with my shoes, so it leaves me with like a bunch of room at the toe, if that makes sense. And I mean, it doesn't feel uncomfortable, it doesn't feel too big, but you know, if I can get a little bit smaller, then I would, just because that's just how I like to wear my shoes. They do look kind of big though, but I don't care. Listen, girls wear size 9. Call me Bigfoot all you want to. I don't care. My foot is not that big. Like, it's not. But if you are someone who wears socks with your sneakers, I would consider ordering a size up, or, you know, your actual size will be okay. Just depends on how you like your shoe to fit. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this MLO shoe, what have you. We had a really good experience, and they have a ton of other shoes to choose from. They have a black pair in that exact style, the nice style is what it's called, and they have a colorful pair. They have a whole bunch of shoes. I'll go ahead and put their Instagram right here so that you guys can see them. Check it out, follow them. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just coming here to give you guys my honest and raw opinion and experience of the shoe and the company, because when my fiance and I went to go look up the company, we found the Instagram, we looked through the tag pictures, all that stuff, but when we looked on Google and like YouTube and stuff, there was only one review, literally one review. So I'm like, okay, this shoe is like pretty up and coming and new, and I'm pretty sure there are other people that would want to order them, especially women. The one review that I did see is it's a male, and I think the shoe kind of comes off or markets more like a male shoe, but listen, you can definitely wear this sneaker with so many styles. I wore it today. I will insert some pictures. Make sure you follow me on Instagram as well, so you can see me wearing the shoe and how I personally style it as a woman, dressed up or dressed down. I'm not one of those girls who, like, you can definitely wear sneakers with a dress. You can wear sneakers with a skirt. You can wear sneakers with whatever. So if any of my ladies out there are looking to order this shoe, or any of the fellas out there looking to order the shoe for their lady, it is definitely female friendly. And if you have any questions about it, go ahead, comment down below. you know, shoot me a little DM and we can chat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you let me know. Let me know by liking this video, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you comment down below and just leave me a couple thoughts about this shoe. Did you like it? Would you purchase it? Comment down below and let me know. Make sure you subscribe and turn that post notification bell on so you don't miss any videos that I post. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.